Whether you're preparing for the holidays, managing weekly meal preps, or simply need extra freezer space, finding the right chest freezer is essential. Today, we're spotlighting 3 top-rated options that cater to various needs and budgets. Let's start. First up is the Midea 7.0 cubic foot chest freezer, a favorite for those with large storage needs. This freezer boasts a massive 7 cubic foot capacity, making it ideal for bulk shopping or big families. Its adjustable thermostat gives you precise temperature control, ensuring your items stay perfectly preserved. Pros: spacious enough for large and bulky items. Energy efficient, helping reduce your electricity costs. Runs quietly, suitable for indoor spaces. Cons: takes up significant floor space, so plan accordingly. Limited organizational options with just one removable basket. If storage space isn't an issue, the Midea 7.0 cubic foot chest freezer offers reliability and ample capacity. Next is the Euhomy 3.5 cubic foot chest freezer, a compact solution for those tight on space. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't skimp on features. Adjustable temperature control and a removable basket make it user-friendly and efficient. Pros: perfect for small spaces like apartments or dorms. Affordable and energy efficient. Lightweight, making it easy to relocate. Cons: limited capacity, better suited for smaller households. Requires manual defrosting, which can be time-consuming. The Euhomy freezer delivers functionality and convenience at a budget-friendly price. Last but not least, the Igloo 3.5 cubic foot chest freezer, a simple, no-fuss option for efficient freezing. Its standout feature is the front defrost drain, which simplifies maintenance. Quiet operation also makes it a great fit for indoor spaces. Pros: compact and lightweight for easy placement. User-friendly defrost system. Quiet and efficient performance. Cons: limited storage space, similar to the Euhomy. Lacks advanced features like interior lighting. For a hassle-free and quiet freezing solution, the Igloo chest freezer is a top contender. Choosing the right chest freezer depends on your space, budget, and storage needs. Here's how they stack up. The Midea excels in capacity and efficiency, ideal for larger households. The Euhomy is the go-to for compact spaces and affordability, while the Igloo combines simplicity and easy maintenance. No matter your choice, a chest freezer is a valuable addition to your home. Check the links in the description to learn more or purchase your favorite model today.